My name's Johnny. My name's Johnny. My name's Johnny.
Drop it. Yeah. Alright, now call me the Joker, more like Casanova Hova. Cause when I'm on the mic, dude, it's over. They say I'm off the chain, I'm more like off the meter. The leader, I get these girls wet like Aquafina. Now stop, forget all the lies and the rumors. Haters mad cause I'm on their mind like a tumor. For real, I stay on an 808 like Kanye. Game is like BK cause I get it my way. Fast like lightning, flows exciting. Stay on my cake like icing. Bite me, I might be the best musician that ever done it. I run it like Usain Bolt. I'm cold like I've been buried in the snow with my damn shirt off. Done killing these fools, DJ cut the verse off.
What you doing, man? You can't hit a verse like that. You got mouth to feed, you got crowds to please. You got one more verse, baby. Just do it for me. I'm the DJ. It's your boy Be Easy in the building, and I wanna hear you squeak one more time, baby. Let's go, Joker. Let's go.
Okay, my flow's too sick. Somebody call a doctor. Make real music and these others are imposters. Life is like a movie, dude. I should win an Oscar. Got these rappers crying, got them dreading like a roster. Rap game master, I will never fail. Cause this game is like school. My rhymes are show and tell. These other rappers mute cause they ain't saying nothing. I'm super bad. Get more action than make loving. Try to start something. Y'all can never catch me. I'ma hit up in the race so y'all people can never pass me. Get back when I rap fast, give you backlash when I get past. Never get last like an outcast up in my class. And I'm so fast, I'm on top of my game like my name's Nash. Oh man, who's that? Best in the game at the Come See Mac. I took a break but now I'm back. Spit high fire and see that. Y'all never know what the hell is going on. Tell me who got better flow. I'm staying and I'll never go.
Looks like we've been here for a while, baby. Cause ain't nobody got better flow than you. You the hottest thing around, baby. Kayla Mac, they don't know nothing about you. Let's go, Joker. We got one more verse to show 'em what you got, baby. Send it out to the DJ. Be easy. Let's go.
Alright, the girls all screaming like when Obama was elected. If girls are a disease, then I must be infected. Ha, affected, never been rejected. Girls say you got flaws, but I am perfected. Rhymes never sloppy, rappers wanna copy. Style so clean, Jay-Z wanna drop me. What does it take for these rappers not to hate? Been stuck to the game like I made a scotch tape. I don't mean to get you mad, I'm just trying to state the truth. I'm attacking all of you like I'm working for the truth. I don't mean to hurt you, dude, but I'm your boss now. All you haters stay back, cause it's finna go down. Man, I hop up out the ride, anybody know me. I stay high up off this game till I'm about to OD. Now, call me the Joker, but this ain't no joke. Now try to battle me, and we'll see how it goes.
Man, it's a rap. Joker, take yourself up. Let's go. My beats go too hard. Your rhymes go too hard. It ain't even a reason to be here. DFW.